Okay, so I'm gonna unbox what I received from Juana Hudson at Latina Loves Lace, and this is from her giveaway that she just recently had, and I just received the box today, so I'm gonna see what we got in here. I'm excited because like I told her, I cried when I saw that she pulled my name out, and it was so exciting to see that, and I can't wait to see what she sent me. 'Cause it was so beautiful, and she's inspired me to make things with lace and stuff. It's just, her creations are so beautiful, and she inspires so much with everything that she makes. Let's see. There it is. Oh, look at the tissue paper. It's so pretty. Oh, yeah. I love it. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah,
it's so pretty. Aww. Wow.
It looks like an Egyptian, treasures.
Yes. Look at it. Can you see it on there?
Oh no, not really. So bring it a little.
Wow, it's so sparkly. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at the little flowers at the bottom. It's so pretty. Oh, it's the same flowers from the top, see? It's so pretty. Oh, look, there it is. That's the one she pulled out.
Yeah, you have to have a frame for it, like a huge frame, and just put it up somewhere.
Yeah. Look, we got peppermints.
Yeah, but not peppermints.
See? There it is. Latina Loves Lace. I love it. Look at that paper inside. It's so pretty. And all that lace. Oh my gosh. All the detail and everything. It's so pretty.
Beautiful, guys.
Yes, it is. Aww. I think there's something else in there. Yes, the paper. I love the paper. Oh my word. Look at this. Oh. Oh my gosh. This note is for me. So I'm gonna read that myself.
Yes, baby.
And there's her card. Latina Loves Lace, Juana Hudson, latinaloveslace.etsy.com. That's her right there. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. Oh.
Okay, that is nice.
Yes. Oh. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, thank you so much. This is so pretty. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I love it so much. I want to take it off like this because I don't want to undo the bow.
It's
So pretty.
Too nice.
Yes, it is. Look at that. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's really nice. You see inside of the...
Look at the little charms.
I like the I like his pink room.
It's so, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm actually holding somebody else's journal.
I know, it's weird, isn't it?
Yes, because I've only held like my own ones. Oh,
Well,
look at the tiny little doily.
I don't know what that is, but it's nice.
You're so silly. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Wow. No, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, this. See the one that she was giving away. It had this design of the door on there. And oh, I can't believe she sent me one too.
I like how it's the door at the very beginning. You're opening
Yes.
it. It makes it really nice.
It's so pretty. I love the shade too. It's so pretty. Oh, your daddy's gonna love this. Oh, look at this lace.
I love how like the fish looks like the little kids look like they're faded in pink. It goes really well with the journal.
It does. Oh my word. It's unbelievable.
Some nice butterflies.
Yeah. Butterflies?
Yeah, the butterflies.
These look like leaves.
Or baby ears. Oh, they're really nice.
Oh, wow.
Ah, I like that, Bridget.
Yeah.
So we got a door and a
Pretty
window.
lady.
It looks like a house.
I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Look at little tiny doily. It's so pretty. And all these tags. Oh my gosh.
I barely want to write in that. It's too pretty.
Yeah, but you know me. I would write on it. Cause, oh, they're so pretty.
Oh, I like that deer one.
Yeah. See? This one's got a deer too. Oh wow.
It's cool because like from creator to someone, from teacher to student.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
It's cool because like, you're holding something from someone who's like far away. I don't know what she is, but
Yeah.
it's cool.
Look at the little charms. Oh, they're so
Those are
pretty.
nice.
And they're sparkly.
Like the heart looks like a perfume bottle.
That's true. It does. Oh, the little tag. Oh, it's got more tags. Yeah. Oh. It's like my birthday. It's so pretty. Oh my word. I love it so much.
You see how the old man went from like the front page to another page? He's saying hi.
The rest of the doily. Oh, I love it. It's my favorite. I love this, the Victorian and the vintage and all that stuff. Oh, and all these laces and sparkles and pearls. They're so pretty. Look at the little window. Oh, there's a cat on it too. See, look at the lace design on there too.
Yeah.
Oh my word, all these tags and the tucks and the pockets. I love it. Oh, there's her name again.
Nice. I like the little design.
Sweet. It's so pretty. pretty stuff. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. Look at this napkin. Oh my gosh. It even smells good too.
It does?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. Look at all this. Oh, thank you so much, Juana. This is just, I don't even have the words to thank you. I loved everything. All your creations are just amazing. You're truly an inspirational woman, and all your creations are just, to me, they're just out of this world, and they warm my heart up.
Looking at it.
Yeah, I'm so grateful. So I don't even know what to say. Just thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Oh, you both love the paper too. So.
Yes, even the paper, it's so beautiful. Thank you.